This is lesson 3-6A, solving radical equations. Just have one example. Solve the square root of x plus 2 equals 2 minus the square root of x. I've got radicals on each side, so what I could do is I could square each side. That would help get rid of that radical. It won't completely get rid of that one, but then I can do one more step. So again, step one is to make sure you've got radicals on each side, if you got more than one radical, and then square each side. So let me do that. The square root of x plus 2 squared, 2 minus the square root of x squared. And when I square that, I just get x plus 2. Over here, if you want, you could use FOIL or just know the pattern. I'll just use the pattern. So it's going to be first thing squared minus this times 2. So it's going to be 4 radical x plus this thing squared is going to be plus x. Again, you can FOIL it and get the same result. Okay, I can subtract x from each side. I could subtract 4 from each side. I'll just show the work there. And get negative 2 equals minus 4 the square root times the square root of x. I can divide each side by negative 4. And get the square root of x equals 1/2. And then what undoes the square root? Squaring. So I'll square each side and get x to equal 1/4. Now it's very important, whenever you raise each side to an even integral power, such as squaring it, raising to the 4th, 6th, etc., you've really got to check for extraneous solutions. So I need to check this before I'm sure it's the answer. So I'll show my check over here. So check x equals 1/4. So is the square root of 1/4 plus 2, is that equal to 2 minus the square root of 1/4? All right, so this is 4/4, add 1/4. That's the square root of 9/4. Is that equal to 2 minus 1/2? This is 3/2. 4/2 minus 1/2, that's 3/2. So check and check. So now I'm confident that's my solution. So once again, how to solve radical equations.